Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to download Scratch 2.0. It's a high level programming language which will help our kids to create their interactive stories, games and animation, and they learn they learn algorithm. What is algorithm? Algorithm is step by steps instructions to solve a problem. They learn problem solving skill. They learn how to give instruction to a Scratch or robot. This is the first stage which will lead us towards the real robots like Edison robot and Bumblebee. Okay, so let's take a start. First step is to download the Scratch 2.0. Earlier version was 1.4. So let's learn that. Okay, first of all, in the Google search engine you need to type Scratch and this will appear in front of you. You need to just click on this is the official website of scratch.mit.edu, and after that you need to click on download. When you click on download, it will ask from you that if you are using Windows install the Scratch app for Windows. You can click here to direct download, but now let me scroll down. Older version is Scratch 1.4 and Scratch 2.0. This time I want to install Scratch 2.0 offline editor, so just click here, and now here it is. This is Scratch 2.0 offline editor. Scroll down. Okay, the first thing is, if you directly download it and you don't have Adobe Air, then you will get error message that kindly download the Adobe Air before going to install the offline version of Scratch 1.4, which is a high level language. So you just need to click on Adobe Air to download. It's very simple, and after that it will redirect you to this website, and here you need to click on Adobe Air for Windows. When you click here, it will start downloading, and I have already downloaded over here. Downloads, look here, I have downloaded Adobe Air, and after that you need to do what? You need to go back. After downloading Adobe Air, you need to go back, and after that next step is to download. For Mac operating system, you need to download here Mac 10.5 version. You click here, and now I'm using Windows 10, so just click here to start the download. When you click here, your download will start and you will get the exe file just like that. And now I'm going to install it. So let's click here and install. And now let's install this software by clicking here. Open a folder, its location. Now continue Scratch 2.0 offline editor. Just click here. Yes. Do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device Adobe Air application? Yes. Install. Now this is going to install the Scratch and Adobe Air. First you need to run Adobe Air, and after that you need to install Scratch, this file. So it's working. Installed successfully Scratch 2.0 offline editor. So let's check its IDE. IDE is what? It's an integrated development learning environment. So it's loading help files. Yes. Okay, now this is the interface of Scratch 2.0. It's offline editor. So here is your Scratch. This is called what? This is Sprite. This cat is known as Sprite. Now we learn how to give command to this Sprite so that it follow our instruction. So this green flag will help us to run the script. Script are the instructions, and this is help us to stop the script. Okay, these are different block palettes. We use different these blocks to create to write our code. So this is called the stage. Backstage, you can change the stage background with the help of by clicking here. When you want to change the sprite, just click here. You can change the sprite easily. So here are different characters. Choose a sprite from the library. You can paint your new sprite, and you can even take the sprite from the library, and you can even new sprite from the camera, you can create that. So I'm going to write my first script in which my sprite will move forward, and then we will try something else. So first step is, these are control blocks. Let me click on control. Okay, control events. Okay, click on event first. Put this event over here. When this green flag click, this I'm talking about this one. When this green flag click, do what? Go to control. Okay, no, motion, move. It has to move. So drag and drop and attach this over here. So now whenever I click here, it will start moving just like that. But it's a time consuming process. Let's make it, let's do this like that. Whenever I press this green flag one time, it will start moving left and right automatically. Reduce the effort, human effort. I don't want to click again and again over here. Okay, so what I will do, I can put a repeat block, repetition, because I want to repeat this single statement again and again. So I will go for the repetition. So where is the control? In control, I'm having repeat 10 times, repeat forever. It's up to you. Now I want it will repeat forever. So drag and drop, just put this move block inside this forever block, and now attach this over here. That's it. Okay, now let's start. Click on, yes. Okay, it's now moving. Look here. When I bring this over here like that. Okay, now I'm going to click on stop. Okay, now after that we need to do what? Let's try again. It will move like that. Now stop. Click on stop button. Now click, hold and drag this cat over here. Now I'm going to use what? Stop. Bring this over here. Just like that. Have you observed that when I click here, it will cross this borderline as well? So we need to restrict it. Bounce on border. When it will find a border over here, it has to bounce back. So we need to go to the move block and check that if on edge bounce back. This block is very important. Look at now the another problem is when it will move backward, it will do what? It will this image is inverted. Now we need to correct this. So what to do now? Okay, rotation left and right, only move. Okay, fine, looks, it's not in a loop. Where is that? Haha. Motion, let me find this glide change. Where is this rotation left and right? Okay, now this one, this block, rotation left and right. That's it.